Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, let me introduce myself. My name is Aisyah Nurfitria, NIM 410.9200-679. Okay, let's start. My plan and my daily life. My plan for the next month is: first, I will continue reading the Quran, which was the light. The meaning of the light is not reading it regularly, so during the month of Ramadan, next month, I will finish it. This Ramadan, I try to pray more for my success in the future. Thus, I tried to learn how to cook that I couldn't, for example, like balado spiced prawns. Also, trying a new hobby that I have never tried, such a mountain climbing will definitely be fun. Then I will learn more about MS Excel because I still don't really understand it myself. Then increase the exercise outside the home. Try to eat on time to avoid stomach disease. Lose weight with exercise. Learn Mandarin, learn Japanese too. Also learn Korean. Deepen learning English so that pronunciation is clearer and more correct. Adding new experience is like learning something new. Finish my essay on Wattpad. Read a lot about how to write a story correctly and interestingly. Trying to start the morning by drinking chocolate milk. Trying to do assignment when the lecturer have a given them. Developed my writing skill by writing and reading a lot, trying to increase my IP to keep it from going down, study harder, take a part-time job in a cafe or wherever that is, deepen my knowledge of computer, trying to practice swimming so I can try my hobby with my best friend, enjoying the sunset with my best friend, and many are very grateful for everything that have been done. Very pleasant. From the first day of fasting, I have cried out the plan. I met not much, just learning to cook and continuing to read my Al-Quran. The first day of fasting did not do anything special and just rested a lot at home while reading a novel on a cell phone application, namely Wattpad, because the first day of fasting coincided with Sunday, because on Monday I do midterm exam. 3 for Sunday, I make to just rest at home, not go out, just for a walk. Even though my activities are quite boring, but I enjoy it. On the second day of fasting, my activities increased starting in the morning. I was busy with exam until the afternoon. After finishing the first activity, continued with the second activity, namely helping to cook for iftar preparation and also make snacks such as some fried bananas, fruit ice, and others. The next activity was cycling with my friends around the beach near my house. Well, I enjoyed the sunset. After that, I went go home, and the next activity was just going to prayer and reading the Quran. After that it ended with me watching a movie. On the third day of fasting, the first activity is the same as the first day of fasting, which are doing my exam. After that, I do my hobby, namely writing. Writing a short story on the Wattpad application is not too good, but I will continue to develop it. After writing, I continue by reading novel in the same application. Then, in the afternoon, back to doing the exam. After doing the exam, I watched YouTube about how to cook chicken katsu because I was quite interested in this chicken katsu and because I wanted to try cooking a new menu. Fasting on the third day and until I read until I read the Quran. Then after that I went to sleep. No more activities. On the next fasting day, I was still doing my exam, and the morning I just helped my maintain the photocopy shop. In the afternoon, after having my parents cook, I would YouTube how to operate my MS Excel, trying to learn to increase my knowledge about MS Excel because I still don't understand MS Excel. And the day ended by reading a novel. On the fifth day of fasting, it began with the same as the previous day, namely talking the exam. After that, learning more about English, and the fourth day ending with watching Japanese anime. Okay, the fifth day, I was still doing my exam. Yeah. The next I studied Japanese and Korean because I still didn't understand the two language. After that, I planned to make pancake for iftar snacks later. Then my activity were after Isha prayers and reading the Quran, and is doing a small workout that is not too heavy and ends up with the sleeping. The sixth day of fasting was still starting with doing exam. After that, I went to a friend's house because I was bored in home. At my friend's house, we just talked, exchange ideas about our hobby, namely working. It just so happened that we both had the same hobby, namely working. Next, from a friend's house, I rested for a while, and after sleeping, I talked with my mom. We were walking at marketplace and seeing if there was anything interesting. And the sixth day ended with me watching movie and reading novel. Okay, on the seventh day of visiting, my parents and I talked about whether we should visit our grandmother in Malang during AED because it has been a long time since I visited my grandmother in Malang. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.